How to fix Lasko tower fan not working. Fix power, motor, and fuse issues. Fix 1. Check power supply. Step 1. Ensure the fan is plugged directly into a functioning wall outlet. Step 2. Avoid using extension cords or surge protectors, as they can sometimes cause issues. Step 3. Test the outlet by plugging in another device to confirm it's supplying power. Step 4. Unplug the fan, wait for 10-15 minutes, then plug it back in to reset internal components. Fix 2. Inspect the fused safety plug. Step 1. Look for the blue fused safety plug at the end of the power cord. Step 2. This plug contains a non-replaceable fuse designed to prevent electrical hazards. Step 3. If the fuse has blown, the plug may need to be replaced entirely. Step 4. Some users have replaced the plug with a standard one, incorporating an inline fuse for safety. Fix 3. Examine the thermal fuse. Step 1. Unplug the fan and disassemble it carefully to access the motor area. Step 2. Locate the thermal fuse near the motor windings. Step 3. Use a multimeter to test the thermal fuse for continuity. Step 4. If the fuse is blown, replace it with one of the same rating, ensuring proper insulation and placement. Fix 4. Check the motor and switch. Step 1. Ensure the fan blades spin freely by hand. If not, clean any debris or obstructions. Step 2. Use a multimeter to test the switch for continuity. Step 3. If the switch is faulty, consider replacing it or contacting Lasko for a replacement part.